Friend supporter, I am Dr. Mohammad Chaudhary, MSc 0207 version. Welcome to Al Quran class. So, what Allah say by Quran verse, what not to do, never do that. What Allah say by Quran verse, what to do that. So, my friend supporter, in case of Facebook company, give me a restriction in case of my picture, video, entertainment science class, and I show not edit or my community standard is not so good. So, my friend supporter, how much good standard I necessary? How much my DNA clearance, you know that. What Allah say by Quran verse, what not to do. I say labology, not sexology. What not to do, what to do. And no naked picture, no blue film in media. And they give restriction with me. So, is it fair? So, all over the world, my fat supporter, you know that. If anything wrong, naked picture, blue pin in my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, or anything wrong, rumor, anything, I am not responsible that reason. Those that do that, beat them and notice me. So no problem. So in case of naked picture, blue film, and nudity or anything else in my Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also in case of internet, notice me. So in case of live just spin, if remain, notice me, no problem. I should have a chance to teach them with. I should have a chance to give them a lesson. Never do that. So, welcome to Al Quran class. So, we revise what Allah say by Quran was what not to do. No rape, no murder. So my friend was about no rape. What Allah say by Quran was what Allah say by Quran was what not to do. No rape, no murder, no terrorism, no blackmailing, rape, no psychosexual disorder, no sexual crime, no sexual harassment, no hypnotism, no interest, no gambling, no cheating, no rumor, no corruption, no unbelievable, even like pig, no bad addiction like urine, coin, napping, ganja, yaba, no fancy, no high percentage of alcohol. Then don't tell alien without negligible, don't harm each other without negligible, don't quarrel each other without negligible reason. Don't hurt any creation without negligible reason. And loveology, not sexology. At proper age, pure love, do love cordially after love consent, loveology, not sexology. And love after marriage or love consent, that is called loveology. And what is the sexology? In case of sexology, you have no love consent, you do sex. In case of loveology, love after pure love consent. And in case of Al Quran, Islam say give emphasis loveology, not sexology. In case of sexology, just you do how much time, that depend on it. In case of loveology, after love consent. And first find out your soulmate, then win her mind, and then do love, take love consent, and marriage, do marriage, then loveology. Valid sex, not unvalid sex. Okay, bye. So loveology, not sexology. Love after marriage, not before marriage. Thank you very much, my friend and supporter. So all over the world, in case of what happened, unvalid sex. If you do unvalid sex or love after with the sexology, in case of sexology, there is a sexual transmitted disease. That is the reason Islam say don't do that. In case of you do sexology before marriage, you know that if you do rape, what happened? If your mother's sister is raped by other, what do? You say I kill him or blast him. Then when you do to other mother, sister, daughter, he also, when you do rape any woman, she also other mother, sister, daughter, anyone. And rape, murder, if you murder any people without negligible reason, if any people murder you or you blood connected without negligible reason, what you do? Then you say I also kill him. But what about you? And in case of terrorist, if anyone blast you, blood connected you or blood connected other without negligible reason, then what happened? Why you do? You also blast them. But then why you do that, blast human without negligible reason? So no rape, no murder, no terrorist. Islam say not do that. In case of blackmailing rape, if your mother, sister, daughter, or your wife is blackmailing raped by other, what do? You kill him. But in case of you, when you do, why you do that? So in case of that, Islam say no rape, no murder, no terrorism, no blackmailing rape. Now gay lesbianism. If you do gay male sex, what is the generation occur? And society, what about the female? And those do lesbianism, male, in case of gayism, male sex, Islam says don't do that. If do that, your DNA glands also reduce, your private organ sense also reduce. Also there is a chance of disease, you know that, and genetic disease, character disorder. If you have severe character disorder, psychosexual disease, that is treated as a psychosexual disorder. Okay. In case of lesbianism, also psychosexual disorder. If you do that psychosexual disorder, gayism, lesbianism, what happens? In case of women, then man and woman, the labology is hampered. The generation of the human is not come. Okay, fine. Understand? That is the reason Islam say gayism, lesbianism, bestiality. In case of animal sex, if you do, the animal disease transferred to human, zoonotic disease. That is the reason Islam said don't do animal sex or bestiality or animal sex. In case of sexual crime, love after marriage you do sexology. Except your wife, you utilize other women in case of sex. After marriage, you write the marriage rules. You break the marriage rules. If you break the marriage rules, that your wife should have right to take divorce from you and marry other good human. In case of you also, your wife do that, you should have chance to disclose the marriage and marry other. Islam give right. That is the last form of right in case of Islam. But in case of soulmate, if you consider forgive your soulmate, so don't do that, then you can take, no problem. Now love, sex, that is the reason you Islam strict, not don't do that sexology or sexual crime after marriage. Then before marriage, if you do before marriage sexology, what happens? Your couple right, your soulmate right break. You as a male, you think, you do sexology, and now you want a virgin woman to marry. You do sexology before marriage, and now you want a virgin woman to marry. You search virgin woman, not unvirgin, but you are unvirgin. Is it fair? Okay, fine. That is the reason Islam say no no sexology, labology, no sexual crime. If you male or female unvirgin, before lost virginity before marriage, that is you break the couple right. And before marriage, you as a man or male or female, you should have right to know that you have sex before marriage or not, you are virgin or not. Before marriage you should have right. Okay, fine. So labology not sexuality. That is the reason Islam says labology not sexuality. In case of sexual harassment, if anyone praise your wife private organ, what you do? Give slap. Not only slap, but also you if you have weapon, you shoot out him. But what happened with the other women? They also other mother, sister, daughter, other wife. 100%. Okay. That is the reason Islam say no sexual crime, no sexual harassment. Now if your mother, sister, daughter, if is by other men, what do? You get slap and beat him. But what about you? Why you do that? That is the reason Islam say no iftici. Okay, fine. What Allah say by Quran was what not to do. Everything have a scientific explanation. That is the same explanation. What I say, if you do that, your DNA clearance also reduce. If your DNA clearance reduce, then your hair power is reduced. Hair power is reduced. In here there is a DNA. Then in your cell, in nucleus there is a chromosome, gene. In gene sequence there is DNA. If you gene DNA sequence, DNA power is reduced, then gene power is reduced, then chromosome power is reduced, then nucleus power is reduced, then cell power is reduced. Then your life power is reduced. So agree what Allah say by Quran verse, what not to do. If you do that, there is a scientific explanation. Your DNA clearance reduce. Understand? What Allah say by Quran verse, what to do. If you what Allah say by Quran verse, what not to do. If you never do that, then what Allah say by Quran verse, what to do. Do that, your DNA clearance increase day by day. Then when you gain the maximum level of DNA clearance, that contain, maintain, obtain, and follow the rules regulation of one and only Creator. Ya Allah. So thank you very much. If you understand Islam, it is the finest thing ever given by Allah, ever made by Allah. If you don't understand, it is the toughest thing ever given by Allah, ever made by Allah. And beginning of the creation, the Islam, La ilaha illallah, one, there is no creator except Allah, by different name. And ending of the creation, also, La ilaha illallah, there is no creator except Allah, remain, by different name. And all good names for one and only creator, Ya Allah. Thank you very much, my friend. Today is enough from Al Quran class. Thank you very much.